Very good morning, dear students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all? Fine? Yes. Then you all know the date and day, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the date today?
9th
December 2021. Today is Thursday. Yes, you have English subject, right? Yes. Previous class what we did? Do you remember? Yes. Tell me what we did there. Yes. Take out your English workbook part 2, children. Yes. What we did in previous class? Tell me. We did sentence dictation. Then about the house, everything, rooms and all, right? Yes. Have you all completed the homework? This homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Then class of everything completed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will move on to the page number 14. Okay. Open page number 14. See page number 14. Open. Yes. See here. Remember. Yes. You have to remember these things in your mind. Got it? Yes. Listen carefully. The simple present tense describes habit, events and actions that happen regularly or daily or always true. Okay. See here, children. Everybody listen. See what is the simple present tense means. We have tenses, right? You all learned the tenses and all in previous class, right?
Yes.
Previous classes, grade 1 and all. Right? Tense and all.
Yes.
Simple present tense means which will show us which will describe the habits. Okay, daily whatever we are doing, right? That. Then events, then actions which we are doing regularly, right? Regularly or daily what we are doing, right? That are all, yes, simple present tense. Understand, children? Are you understanding?
Yes.
Yes. See, rule is there. In this we have rule. Subject and verb also. Okay, we have subject also, verb also and object. This makes a simple present tense. Understanding example like they live in that house. See here, they live in that house. Live means it is a present tense. Correct? See, that's why it is in a black color they have mentioned here. Live, L-I-V-E, live. They are living. Understand? Live means always they are living there only. Understand? So that is simple present tense. Understanding? Yes. Next is Harish gets up at 8 o'clock in the morning every day. See next sentence is Harish gets up at 6 o'clock in the morning every day. Every day you people also get up in one particular timing, right? Yes. How you all get up at 6 o'clock?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 6 o'clock you have to get up. You have to get ready. All the works you have to complete by yourself, right? Yes. This is your daily habit, right? Yes. So this is simple present tense. Gets up. Okay. Gets up is simple present tense. Understand? Then the sun rises in the east. Always the sun will rise in east only. It will rise in west. No. In east only, right? So that is a daily thing. Daily the sun is doing that, right? So it is a simple present tense. Understand? Listen next. Add yes or es to the verbs that follow he, she, it and singular nouns. Okay. See if you have any singular nouns right there. For the verb you have to add yes, es like that. Okay. And for he, she, it and all we have to add es for the singular nouns. Okay. Understood, children? Yes. Then do not add yes or es to verbs that come after I, we, you, they. If these words are coming, you have to not use yes and es. Okay, for the verbs, you should not use yes and es. Keep in your mind. Understanding?
Yes.
And plural nouns. Okay, and for the plural nouns also, no need to add yes, es and all. Okay, in the simple present tense. Are you getting, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is simple past tense. Describe actions that are finished or completed. Simple past tense means the actions which we are doing, right, that has been finished, completed. Okay, that is called simple present tense, which we have already done that work. Understand? You already completed your EVS class, right, children?
Yes.
Completed. Already you have been completed. So that is simple past tense. What? Yes, simple past tense. Okay. Now the present tenses, English is going on. English class is going on. So this is simple present tense. Present tense, which is going now. It is going on, right? Yes, that's right. Okay then. See, in this simple past tense we have rules like subject, past tense, verb. Past tense form a verb. Past tense will form a verb. And subject, object also are there in this. Understand? Example like we lived in Chennai last year. Last year, where you lived? In the Chennai. Lived. That lived is there, right? That is simple past tense. Understand? Lived. Understood, children? Next, Rustam played with Simran yesterday. Rustam played with Simran yesterday. This boy played with that girl yesterday. Yesterday is past tense, correct? And played means already played. Okay. So these are simple past tense. Understand? What are these?
Simple past tense.
Very good. I tried cooking last night. I tried cooking last night. Last night. Okay, that is which is happened. That is simple past tense. Understanding? Understanding, children? Next is in simple past tense the following happens. In simple past tense it will be the things will be going on. Okay. Is, and, was, are, were. This all verbs will come in the simple past tense. Understood? Yes. Then the past tense form of the word are made by adding d, ed, then ied for the few words that will end in y, which is ending with y, right? There we will use ied. Okay. Understood? Or ed or d, like that. See here, such a study. Study is there. Such a study. S-T-U-D-Y. Y is there, right? Instead of y, what we have to add? IED. IED. Understand? Yes. Like that you have to change the verb into the simple past tense. Understanding, children? Yes. Next turn, page number 15. Simple future tense. Next what we have? Simple future tense. Read what Mona and Lena are talking about. Here Mona and Lena are talking. Let us see what they are talking. Okay. Mona is telling. Okay. Mona is telling to Lena. Lena, what will you do tomorrow? They are asking about the future tense. Tomorrow means it is going to come, right? So it is a future. We don't know the future tense, right? So she is asking, what will you do tomorrow? Tomorrow what you are going to do? She is asking. Okay. Then Lena is telling, I will go to market with my parents. She is telling, tomorrow I will go with my parents to the market. Understanding? Then Mona is telling, what will you buy? What you will buy? Like that Mona is asking. She didn't buy still, right? She is going to buy. Right? That is simple future tense. Understand? Then Lena is telling, my birthday is coming soon. I will buy a dress for my birthday party. She is telling why I am going to the market because to buy some dresses for her birthday which is going to come. So these all are in a simple future tense, right? Simple future tense. Still it is not yet come, right? Or it is not happened also. It is going to happen. Okay? Understand? Which is going to happen is only simple future tense. Understanding, children? See, Mona, will you show your dress to me? She is asking Mona, will you show your dress to me? You will show after buying that. Will you show for me like that? Yes. So Lena is telling, yes, I will show it to you. Yes, I will show for you like that. She is telling. Understanding? Then next is the girls are talking about actions that have not happened yet. Still it is not happened. About that only they are talking, right? Yes, children? Yes. Then the tense used to describe actions that will happen later is called simple future tense. What is simple future tense? Tell me. The tense used to describe action which will happen. Okay, which will happen later, right? What are the actions will happen in the future is called simple future tense. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
What is simple future tense? Actions that will happen later. What is the simple future tense, children? happen later is called simple future tense. Understanding, keep this in your mind. What is simple present tense? What is simple past tense? What is simple future tense? These three tenses you should keep in your mind. What? Simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Okay? Simple present tense means which is happening. Which is happening is simple simple present tense. Simple past tense means which is already happened. Okay, which is already happened is simple past tense. Okay, which is going to happen is simple future tense. Understanding, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then next is remember. This also you should remember. See, in the simple future tense we will use before the verb to show an action that is going to happen. Okay, in simple future tense, which is going to happen, right? That only it will show in that sentence. Understand? Like subject, will, verb, object, this all will be done. Understood? Then example like I will go to the market tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow. That is tomorrow. Still not yet come, right? So I will go to the market tomorrow, not today. Okay, that's why it becomes simple future tense. She will dance at the function. She will dance at the function. At the function. Still function is not there. It is going to happen. Right? So this is also simple future tense. Very good. Then turn next page. Page number 16. See here. This is your homework. Please mention it as homework. Exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. It is homework, okay? 3.1. Mona has made a timetable planning how she will spend her holidays. Read her timetable and fill in the blanks using the simple future tense. Okay, see, she had made one calendar. Okay, see, these are the days. Morning, afternoon, evening. What she will do, okay? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All the week, what she will do, she has mentioned one timetable. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So Monday she will go to the music class and she will read a story book afternoon and she will watch television in the evening. Okay, Monday timetable is like that. Tuesday what she will do? Morning she will play with carom with Chandu and afternoon go to the zoo with aunt. Then evening relax at home. Okay, like that she has mentioned everything here, right, in the timetable, right? Then here we have some questions in the below. See, below you have questions, right, children? What you should do? Seeing this timetable, you have to fill the blanks. Understanding? This is your homework. See, one already done for you. What will Mona do on Sunday morning? Sunday morning, what she will do? See, visit grandparents. Sunday, see here last. What she will do? Visit grandparents. See, here already they have given dash. You should write will visit. Will visit. Okay, it is a future tense. So you have to use will visit. Okay. Then next, how many times will Mona read a story book? How many times she will read the story book? Mona will read 3 times, right? Will read. You have to mention there in the dash will read. Okay. Then rest you will do and come. I will not tell the answer. Rest how many? How many questions? 6 questions are there. You have to do it and come. Page number 16 and 17. 16, 17 is your homework. You have to do and come that. Okay? Yes, then exercise 3.2 also is homework. Exercise 3.2 also homework. Mention homework, that also. Draw a star. See, children, you have to draw a star over verbs that are in simple past tense. Simple past tense is there, right? There you have to put a star upon that. Okay? Then underline the verbs. Which all are verbs now, you have to underline. Okay? It is in a simple future tense. Okay? See here, you will work all the day. You will work all the day tomorrow. This is simple future tense. Correct? Tomorrow. Simple future tense, right? So, will work they have been underlined. Correct? Next is, it snowed correction. Okay? Yes. We will end up the class till here. We will meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.